You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to lift the front and rear of your Duster 2 safely using standard lifting tools. All you need is a jack, a pair of axle stands, and a rubber buffer to protect your vehicle from friction with the jack. Your Duster 2 must be on level, smooth ground. Your car must be on level ground, where the axle stands can't slip. And above all, where your jack can follow the car's movement while lifting it at the same time. First of all, if the operation involves removing the wheels, start by releasing the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. When lifting the front, slide the jack under the vehicle by the engine bed and lean against the jacking point, which is a solid base for lifting and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. You can place the axle stand under the front support points as shown in the video. Next, gently lower your vehicle until it is stable on the axle stand. You can now remove the wheel if you need to. To be on the safe side, slide it under the vehicle for extra protection. If you need to lift both sides of your Duster 2, repeat the steps on the other side. To return the vehicle to the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the hub if necessary, and screw the nuts back on until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your Duster 2 until you can remove the axle stand. Then carefully place your vehicle on the ground. Finish tightening the wheel if necessary. To lift the rear of your Duster 2, you can place the jack under the rear jacking point. You can place the axle stand under the rear support points as shown in the video. Next, gently lower your vehicle until it is stable on the axle stand.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
To return the rear of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack and lift your Duster 2 until you can remove the axle stand. Then carefully place your vehicle on the ground. You can now perform most of the operations on your Duster 2 in complete safety. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.